Hi friends, and welcome back to my another video. And in this tutorial I will show you how we can print a list in reverse order. I'm sure you all are familiar with how to print a list or iterate over a list in a normal order or an ascending order, okay? But today I will show you, our main focus would be how to do this in reverse order. So just to save your time, I have a ready-made list. I already created this list, and this list is actually type character, and it says alphabets, English alphabets from A to Z, and the name of this list is alphabets, as you can see, and it's actually an array, and I have used as list method of the arrays class to make this or convert it into a list. Alright, so let's first try to iterate over this list in normal order. Okay, I will use for loop to iterate over this list, but we have the option to use other loops as well. Right, so I will take for loop here, and I will say int index equals to 0. So I will initialize this loop with a variable called index. So we will start from index 0. Okay, so as we all know that indexes start from 0, so that's why we also starting from 0. But the condition for this loop is we would say that go ahead and keep executing the loop until we meet this condition. What's the condition? We say if the index is less than the size of this list. Each time this is true, we will execute our logic in here inside this this block of this for loop, and after that we will, with each iteration, we will increment the index by 1. So that would mean that the value of index would increase with each iteration. The first iteration it's 0, with the second iteration will become 1, so index 1, but still the condition would be false. So the index, which is 1, let's say in second iteration, is still less than the size of this list. All right, so what do we want to do inside the for loop? We will just get a system.out.println method. It will just give us the index with each iteration, okay? But we don't want that. We want to get the value that resides in that specific position or that specific index. So what we will do is we will use the get method of the Arraylist. In here, what this method will do is it will returns the element at the specified position in this list. So what we would say that, hey, can you please return element at this index, whatever this index is. With the first iteration it is 0, with the second iteration it becomes 1, with third it becomes 2, fourth it becomes 3, and so on. So we are getting value at this specific index at each iteration. I hope it makes sense. Alright, so let's run the program. Okay, perfect. As you can see, A, B, C, D, E, F, and it's all the way to X, Y, Z. So we were able to do it in ascending order, but this is just, normal way. But our goal is how we can print or iterate over this data structure in reverse order. That's what we want to do. So it's just simple. Okay, guys, whatever you did here, you just try to reverse it. Okay, so we started from index 0. This time we will start from alphabets dot size -1. Okay, so we will start from last index, okay, whatever the last index is, and in the condition we will also change the condition here. We will change the less than symbol to greater than. In alphabet size we can change this, but before that we need to add equal and say 0. And the next step, we need to decrement it. Okay, this time we are not incrementing the value, we are decrementing. So we are coming from Z, Y, X all the way to A. So with each iteration, that's why we're required to decrement the value. Sorry, decrement the index. Okay. Well, that's it. It's just that simple. Just few modification to your for loop that you write iterating over a data structure in normal way. You just do a few modifications to iterate over that list data structure in reverse order. So it's very easy, right? So let's run this program. All right, guys. As you can see, so we have these elements printed out in reverse order: Z, Y, X, W, all the way to A. See, as I said, it was just a simple thing to do, and it was the easiest way to accomplish this. All right, well, I hope this was helpful and straightforward. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you have any concerns or questions, please leave at the comment section, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next video, you have a wonderful day.